Hello, dear shining stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and ready to start a new chapter with me. So, let's start Focus English Grammar Class 7th by Coral Publishers. And आज हम क्या करेंगे? Chapter 19, that is idioms. तो पहले हम पढ़ते हैं कि idioms क्या होते हैं. Idioms, like phrasal verbs, expressions made up of a set of words in a language with particular meanings. अब idioms जैसे कि phrasal verbs हमने पढ़े थे, phrasal verbs की तरह ही होते हैं, expressions होते हैं और ये set of words से मिलके बनते हैं. Now for example, once in a blue moon means इसका meaning क्या है? Very rare. So ये set of words है ना, once in a blue moon, and the meaning is very rare. Though the meaning, structure and the principles of usage are similar for both phrasal verbs and idioms. देखिए दोनों phrasal verbs और idioms के लिए meaning, structure और principles of usage जो हैं वो same हैं, but they are not exactly the same. ये same नहीं होते हैं. Here are some important points of difference between these two types of expressions in English. Now, let's see what are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are primarily verb phrases made by combining the verb as the head with particles. तो जो verb होता है, that is the head, वो head होता है और उसके साथ में कुछ particles जुड़ते हैं. However, idioms may have a clause or a complex phrase with or without any verb in them. अब idioms में क्या होता है? Idioms में हो सकता है clause हो या complex phrase हो, okay? जो कि phrasal verb से नहीं होता है. Complex phrase जो होता है phrasal verb से में नहीं होते हैं. अब with और without any verb, उसमें verb हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है idioms में. Now look at the following examples. Phrasal verbs. अब phrasal verb का example देखिए. Run away means escape. Meaning क्या है? Escape. Now run is the verb as head. Okay? And adverb as particle. अभी कहा था ना यहाँ पे हमने पढ़ा था कि phrasal verbs में जो verb होता है as a head होता है और उसके साथ particle जुड़ता है. So, run is the head and away is the particle, adverb particle. Now in idiom, in the long run means in due course. This is the prepositional phrase. इसमें कोई head नहीं है. देखिए, phrasal verb की तरह head नहीं है और कोई particle add नहीं हुआ है. ये एक prepositional phrase है. The following list gives you some idioms along with their meanings and usage. अब यहाँ हम कुछ idioms पढ़ेंगे जिनके meanings और examples साथ में दिए गए. The first one is act the part or role. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Pretend. Act the part means to pretend. It was difficult for me to act the part or role of a friend when I knew she had betrayed me. So, add the particle is used as an idiom here. Add fuel to the fire, instigate. Don't add fuel to the fire by telling him to fight with his own sister. जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, आग में घी का काम मत करो, आग में घी मत डालो. So, don't add fuel to the fire is an idiom. Alive and kicking, healthy and doing well. How is your friend? Oh, he is alive and kicking. So, a question has been asked and the answer has been given through an idiom. By any chance means possibly. Example, have you seen my sister by any chance? Call it a day. Stop something. So, this is the meaning of call it a day. We are tired of practicing. Let us call it a day and go home. Means to stop doing the work. Center of attraction, prominent. Simran was the center of attraction of today's gathering. मीन्स सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, आकर्षण का केंद्र जिसे कहते हैं। तो सिमरन क्या थी? आकर्षण का केंद्र थी उस गैदरिंग में। फाइन चिल्ड्रन, सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन फ्यू मोर idioms. Do one's best means be sincere. Don't worry about the outcome of your efforts. Just do your best. Early bird, a person who does things earlier than other people. Rita is an early bird. She is always the first to arrive for class. अब अर्ली बर्ड का मतलब वो इंसान जो कि दूसरे लोगों से पहले काम कर लेता है। Easy money, money earned in return for a very little work. Do you want to earn some easy money? Face in music, accept criticism for one's actions. किसी के एक्शन के लिए क्रिटिसिज्म को एक्सेप्ट करना, दूसरे के द्वारा किए गए क्रिटिसिज्म को एक्सेप्ट करना। Think hard before you venture into this. Remember, nobody will face the music on your behalf. Far and wide, everywhere. Students from far and wide seek admission to our school. Go the extra mile. Put in extra effort beyond expectation. Geeta is always ready to do the extra mile for her friends. Next, good for nothing means useless, किसी काम का नहीं. She prefers to be termed as good for nothing rather than work hard. Hard and fast means strict but non-flexible. We do not have any hard and fast rule about our students' dress code. Heart and soul, wholehearted devotion, dedication. Students put their heart and soul into raising money for the underprivileged children. In the meantime means meanwhile. She can rest for some time. In the meantime, you can cook our dinner. In other words, to say something differently, किसी भी चीज़ को अलग तरीके से कहना, उसे कहते हैं in other words. You say you won't be coming for my party. In other words, you are refusing my invitation. Labor of love. Job undertaken for pleasure, not for profit. The film was a labor of love for the director. Now next is narrow escape. Just barely escaped from danger. She had a narrow escape from death in the bus accident last month. जिसे कहते हैं ना बाल बाल बचना, उस एक्सीडेंट से, बस एक्सीडेंट में बाल बाल बची. Next to nothing, almost nil. My knowledge of molecular biology is next to nothing. Odd man out, a person who doesn't fit into a group. Out of the blue means suddenly. The school picnic was originally scheduled for this weekend but was postponed out of the blue. Poles apart means very different. My brother and I are poles apart as far as our taste in music is concerned. So now children, let's do some exercises. Match the given idioms with their meanings. You can take the help from a dictionary. अब यहाँ कुछ idioms दिए गए हैं और इधर उनके meanings लिखे गए हैं. हमें इन्हें मैच करना है करेक्ट idiom से. आप डिक्शनरी की हेल्प से भी इसके मीनिंग्स ढूंढ सकते हैं idioms के. So from far and wide means from all directions. Kith and kin, friends and relatives. Bury a hatchet means to become friends again. Question of the hour, present concern. The nick of time at the very last moment. बिल्कुल last moment में जो work करते हैं उनके लिए कहा जाता है they complete their work in nick of time. Poles apart, completely different. Then heart and soul with great sincerity. Next to nothing means almost nil. More than welcome. It means a hearty and hospitable invitation. Wreck the top means succeed. Then overstep the mark, cross the limit. गुड फॉर नथिंग मीन्स यूजलेस, कहा जाता है ना, यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग मीन्स आप किसी काम के नहीं हो. Knows no bounds means limitless, and enter the fray means participate in a quarrel. Now children, make 10 sentences using any 10 idioms from the above list. अभी जो आपने idioms पढ़े हैं उनमें से 10 sentences आपको बनाने हैं. Okay, you have to make 10 sentences. So now you know the meaning of each and every idiom. सारे idioms के हमने meanings भी पढ़ लिए हैं. तो this exercise you have to do on your own. कोई भी 10 idioms लीजिए, उससे sentences लिखिए यहाँ. One has been done for you. People come from far and wide to see the beautiful city of Rome. So far and wide is an idiom. Okay? Or you can, I'll make one more. Sumit is good for nothing. He always increases the work. मीन्स वो काम को हमेशा बढ़ा देता है. ही इज गुड फॉर नथिंग. सो इन दिस वे दिस इज द इडियम, गुड फॉर नथिंग. ऐसे ही आपको और सेंटेंसेस भी बनाने हैं. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, दिस वाज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द इडियम्स वेरी वेल, और इडियम से सेंटेंसेस बनाना भी आपको आ गया होगा. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. लेट्स मीट अगेन विद अ न्यू चैप्टर, समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग very interesting. Till then, have a great time. Bye.